Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and try this out. I have Organico Bello. It says that it's a spicy marinara organic pasta sauce. It's a premium sauce, no sugars added, true and honest, so they say, crafted from imported organic Italian tomatoes. Vegan friendly, gluten free, keto friendly, paleo friendly sauce. On the back, some of the ingredients are Italian tomatoes, of course, and olive oil, sea salt, organic basil, organic garlic, crushed red peppers, organic white pepper, organic black pepper. So I'm going to go ahead and try this out on my bed of pasta right here. I'm just going to go ahead and open this up. And that's the sauce. I'm going to go ahead and taste a little bit of it. And just taste it, see how it is straight out of the jar. It's a nice consistency of red. Okay. Nice. A little bit on the acidic side, but that's okay. Go ahead and try some on the bed of pasta. Alright, so it's on the bed of pasta. Try this out a little bit. Get a little closer so you can see this. So here it is over here. It's has a nice red color to it. I'm gonna get my fork, get some up on the pasta, spin it around. Yeah, smells good, really good. Go ahead and try some of it. Okay. It's a little bit on the acidic side for me, but it goes well. A lot of people like the acidic tasting pasta sauces, so I feel like that's kind of a trend these days to go for the more acidic tomatoes. I'm actually going to put a little bit of parm on it. Put a little bit of Parmesan cheese on it. Try it with the parm. So one thing with adding Parmesan cheese or cheese to acidic tomato sauces is that it really mellows it out. Gives it a nice taste to it. It cancels out the acidity a little bit, but still gives you quite a punch of flavor. So let me go ahead and try this. Go ahead and wrap this out. Look at that. I'm actually going to put a little bit more parm on this bite that I'm about to take. Go ahead and put some more parm on top of it. Okay, really good. So adding cheese to this really makes it a lot better. So if you don't like the acidic flavor from this type of pasta sauce, you can add some cheese to it, and it really gives it a nice balance to it. All right, really good. Take one more bite. Really good. So I like Organico Bello with some cheese added to it. Really good. Hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.